Uh-huh. So, okay, good morning. We had a great evening last night.
We did.
After such a busy day.
Period.
Had a nice meal. My daughter and son-in-law came around and a couple of glasses of wine. And a lovely day was to be had. So today we're back into it, Sunday. Today I want to start to disconnect and take out the old wiring.
Yeah.
All this old
You've taken some out already, haven't you?
I've taken some out already, much of the old lighting and stuff.
Yeah.
So this at the moment is
Wait.
old and no longer functioning.
Okay. How do you know it's old and no longer functioning?
Well, I know it's old because it's part of the original boat.
Well, I know.
But it's not functioning because it's no longer live.
How do you know?
Because I have this
How
super cool tester that's live.
Yeah.
So that's staying for now.
Yeah.
But these are dead.
How do you know that they're just not switched on from wherever they're coming from?
Well, they
Into
are
the engine
actually
room, aren't
connected to the original generator,
Oh.
which is also dead.
Yes.
So they will not ever go again because the generator's not going to go again.
Is it not really?
Well, it's too big anyways to make it run. It's a massive engine to run it, and we just don't need that kind of power.
No. And anyway, we've
So,
got
yeah.
shore power, haven't we?
So we're obviously in preparation for the new electrics to go in, which will be happening over the next period.
Hello, puppy. Hello. Oh, yes. What are you doing? So what are you doing in here?
Demolition! I'm taking out the old wiring system as I explained earlier. So this is just all old dead stuff, which is surplus to requirement, so it's coming out.
Yeah.
Stripping it out, obviously thinking about the new wiring system to go in next.
Okay. What is that?
So this is an old junction box.
Okay.
Demolition. This is an old junction box. That is you see, it's all rusty. It was completely unsafe. So
That
yeah,
seems like that seems quite heavy.
it is. One was plastic.
Oh
that I
gosh.
took off,
Bakelite was
and
it?
that one was metal.
Oh.
So then the next part is this is all dead.
Yeah.
Okay, I've tested it with the
good.
tester, and this is the tester.
Yeah.
So this one's live.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, because it's going to that light.
Let's go to the light.
Yeah.
This one's live,
Yeah.
and this one is live.
Oh no, and what were you just doing?
No, it's not live. It is live.
Why are you pulling it off if it's live? Is it live or is it picking up something? Oh. Maybe you should wait for the sparky before you...
24 volts. 240. 240. Oh dear.
Well, it's a good job you just didn't demonstrate yourself being electrocuted, isn't it, really? It's a good job that you just tested it all again.
Angelo, which is the guy who owned this boat before us,
Let's not go blaming Angelo.
is marked this on the wall as 24 volts.
Oh, okay.
Okay. He's marked that as 240, which is 240.
Yeah.
And he's marked this, right, he's written it on the wall, look. 24 volts.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Something very fishy about that.
It is, isn't it?
Excuse the pun.
Fishy. No, it's definitely a hot wire.
Well, let's not cut that one. Let's not yank it out.
I already touched it.
I know. But luckily...
I already touched that.
You're lucky that you're not... You know. Okay, well, perhaps on that note...
On that note, we will stop and wait for the sparky before I take any more of this area out, because it's clearly live.
Yeah. It's a bit strange because
It's actually not live.
where's it actually going?
240. Might be picking up this one. Oh no, it is live.
No.
No, it's dead. Live. Dead.
Yeah, so why is it picking up?
Live. Live. It might be picking up.
Yes, it may well be.
No.
Well, I think I'm going to leave you to that puzzle for now, Mr. Demolition.
No demolition.
No, and always check twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, especially when you're dealing with electricity. What are you doing?
Demolition. I'm actually further tracing back the old wiring system, the actual old 24 volt.
Yeah.
So I'm under the floor,
Yeah.
tracing what's no longer in use, which is dead. So once again, this here and here runs to there. Dead. So just some more of. Can we just do some demolition? Can we film some demolition?
If you want.
Okay. There we go. Demolition. So we've checked this. It's definitely dead.
I'm so glad. That would have been interesting if it wasn't.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
Now I'll take this off, which is going to be...
What is that? I thought that was for the...
It was for an old... if I can believe, it was for an old pump.
Okay.
Which is no longer there.
What, a bilge pump?
A bilge pump, yeah. So a lot of this stuff on this boat, because it was a work boat, obviously originally it was a fishing boat, and then it was turned into a survey dive boat. There's been lots of add-ons over the years and lots of removals, and it hasn't really been sort of things that have died, like pumps and so on and so forth, have died and they've not been replaced.
And they haven't taken out anything.
And they haven't taken anything out. So what, sadly for me, one of the difficult parts of what I'm doing is tracing back which is old stuff and which is current.
Yeah.
Current.
That's
Electrical
nice.
current.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and once I've stripped away all the dead rubbish, I'll be left with a bare system, which will be the a 240 system, which is what I want.
Yeah.
Okay, which will consist of lighting and plug sockets. And once I've determined which is the dead and rubbish stuff and taken it out, and I'm left with a bare system, at that point then I'll know when I'm ready to disconnect from the main.
Yeah.
And be in darkness for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to connect on to the new system that I'm putting in. So once all the old stuff is stripped away,
Yeah.
I'll know what's the live stuff, and when I cut the power, then I can take out with ease, just rip it away
And replace it with new.
and replace it with new.
Okay.
So this is kind of like, let's find out what's going on with the system first.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Demolition. Okay. You need to get on.
Okay.
Would you like to take that?
Yeah. And I'll just stop this.
Hi. So it's Sunday evening. Another busy weekend. So as I said to you all earlier, that today's progress was hoping to remove all the old excess electrical work, wiring, plug sockets, so on and so forth. So the plan is now, as you'll see in a second, lots of wires are hanging down. They're all 240. They still need to remain in place for the minute until the electrician can start.
Yeah.
As soon as the electrician can start, in that corner there, he will snip the wires, disconnect,
Yeah.
and then everything will go dead in these areas that we're working on now. And in the meantime, I will fix all the new trunking for the electrical cables,
Yeah.
lighting,
Yeah.
and plug sockets throughout the three areas.
Yeah.
So when the electrician comes, he will just wire through into my trunking
Yeah.
and then connect on and switch on, and then we will have lighting, appropriate lighting and appropriate sockets safe from this section, these 2-3 sections of the boat. So once he's made the snip and it's dead, I will just tear all these loose wires out, ready for him to rewire into the new lot. Okay?
Yes.
So I'm just going to walk you around now, let you take a peek at all my loose wiring.
Oh, lovely.
This is where the original wires are coming through.
Yeah.
That feeds the lighting cable and mains cables.
Yeah.
Okay, and that runs all the way through these 2-3 areas, and that's what supplies the 240 volts electricity.
Yeah.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
so as you see, we're walking around perfectly safe,
Yeah.
as long as nobody trips over it, which hopefully they
Put it in
won't.
their mouth.
Okay,
Yeah.
so all these things, these are all live.
Yeah.
And as I said, they're just ready for the disconnection, and then out they come in seconds. Okay, so we're going to move into this next room,
Yeah.
which is going to be the bedroom.
Uh-huh.
Mind your step. So the flooring's up.
Yes.
We have some electric components or electrical components, macerator, pumps.
Bilge pumps.
Bilge pumps, indeed. So once again, everything is stripped out in terms of the 24 volt system.
Yeah.
And anything you see now is just loose wiring again. That will be disconnected and just torn out. The same with this area here.
Wait. Need to watch my step.
Are we going to film this area?
Oh, what, a nasty toilet again? Yeah, let's film the nasty toilet.
Oh
or the
my
nasty
word.
head.
So the same
Lovely.
again, As soon as it's ready, it will be wired. And this area here, I'll move out the way. Again, is ready for the snip.
Yep. It's going to be a utility sort of store area, isn't it?
Washing machine and dryer and utility.
Yep. Mind you don't fall down the hole.
Mind you don't fall down the hole.
I know. I'm a bit wobbly today.
So, so that's it for this week. And hopefully next week we can make more progress doing getting some wiring in appropriately and finished, and then we'll start on some painting. Bye then.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.